Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin pattern and password. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure, my friend, your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern or password. So don't worry at all. At the end of this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method I am going to giving in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before revealing this video, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it, my friend. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your phone. Okay. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming next video, old videos, or for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us lot of encouragement and make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and walk with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method, mentioning in it and applying it to your smartphone. Now, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, you will have to close all the network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network of your phone. Now you can see, my friend, my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network in my phone. So firstly, I will have to close this Wi-Fi network. So what I will have to do for it? So simply I will have to slide my phone downside. Now you can see there are lots of keys here to use for the phone. So now you can see here there is an option of an airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this airplane mode to close all the network like telecommunication or Wi-Fi network. So I am going to activate my airplane mode of my phone. So I have activated it. Now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed now. So now the first step has been completed, my friend. It means your all the network of Wi-Fi network or telecommunication network has been closed. Now the next step, you will have to close all the running application. Before your phone was locked, you were be using some application, so all the applications should be closed. For this, it's not possible when your phone is locked to close all the applications. So there are some secret code which generates by the service center every 2 or 3 days. So this secret code, what I'm going to give you, updates in 2 or 3 days. And if this secret code help you to unlock your phone, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can take help of my upcoming next video. Okay. So today's secret code is, you will have to feed like this. You will have to go with the emergency call button. You can see here emergency call option. So when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now today's secret code, you can see here star 777, then star 8500, then hash. This is the latest secret code to close the running application. You can also take a screenshot for the further this secret code uses. Okay. So now you will have to call on this secret code, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and you will have to repeat this process 3 times continuously like this. Now all the background running application of your phone has been closed. Now it means your phone is ready to go with the offline unlocking method or engineer's unlocking method. Okay. Or it's also known as in service center language master unlocking method. Or so simply you will have to clear this number like this. And now I am going to give you the USSD code, all the number which starts with star and end with hash, these type of number known as USSD code. So this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. And when you will click on hash, you can see here my phone's display is showing engineers mode or master unlocking mode. There are lots of options from top to bottom. You can see here, and all the keys has the specific function. So don't go with any other options, any other keys, because all keys has specific function. Okay, and in this video I am going to give you only unlocking method. So simply you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number, you can see here. So simply you will have to click on this option, software version. And when you will click on this option, you will get a such type of page. There are also lots of options you can see here, but you will have to go with the option Android version. You can see here there is an option of Android version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13, Android version 10 or Android version 11. And if your phone is showing here Android version 13, it means you will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly. But my phone is showing here Android version 12. It means I will have to click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first process has been completed, my friend. Now simply you will have to go with the back button, which is at the bottom of the phone. So when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page like this, and you can see here there is another option at the above of a software version, that is manual test. So simply you will have to click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to this page. You can see here assembly test projects. Okay, so you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone the right side like this until you reach to the option other. Now you can see there is an option of other, and there are 5 type of option on this page. Now you can see at the 4th number there is an option of a database version. You can see here it may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but both have the same function but the different name. So don't go with the name. You will have to click on this database version or mainboard version 9 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the third process of unlocking method has been completed, my friend. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test at the 2nd number. You can see read write important log test. Now you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will get a such type of pop-up to confirm this, but you don't have to confirm this pop-up. You will have to cancel this pop-up at the first time, and the second time you will have to do the same. You will have to cancel it, and the third time you will have to again cancel it. But at the 4th time you will have to confirm this pop-up with the OK button. And when you will give this OK button OK, it means your all the forgotten pattern, pin and password are on reconstruction mode. It means now your phone is ready to go with the new password or pattern lock. Okay, now the final step I am going to give you, it's most important. So simply you will have to take care of it for the final step. And if you are skipping any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend. So be careful for the every step. Okay, now you will have to simply slide your phone left side until you reach to the option of a device debugging. You can see here there is an option of a device debugging option, and there are also lots of options. You can see here there are lots of options from top to bottom, but there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration. You can see here you will get an option of a sensor self-test and calibration. So simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, your phone display showing this type of options over there. It may be possible your phone will show here 3 options, 1 option. So don't worry about it. My phone is showing here 2 options. So simply I will have to click on this option, and you can see here the option is showing here operation not started, and the second option is showing here also no operation not started. So simply I will have to start these operation, and I will have to clicking on these options until I get a single test passed message. Now I am going to clicking on this option like this. Test started. The second option, test started. I will have to continuously click on this option until I get a single test passed message. Okay, so this is a time taking process. It may be possible your phone takes 15 times or 50 times to get a single test pass message. So I am going to clicking on this option. Now you can see at the second time I got the test passed message. It means my unlocking method, it means my master unlocking method has been done. Now I don't have to do anything. My phone has been completely unlocked. So I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply I will have to go with the home button. You can see at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. So simply I will have to go with the home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to press a home button. No, so you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked. It means this trick works generally. Okay, if your phone has been unlocked, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make these type of further videos. And if your phone could not unlock by this trick, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will definitely support you to unlock your phone. Thank you very much. See you in your next video with the next trick.